Well, Dr. Zakir, I think we've now reached the stage where we've defined zakat and how it's calculated. But I'd like to move on now to the different categories of people who are eligible to take the zakat, or to whom the zakat is paid. Could you first confirm the different categories of people that can first receive the zakat?
The categories of people who can receive zakat is mentioned in Surah Tawbah, chapter number 9, verse number 60. The first is the Fuqara, that is the poor. Second is the Masaakeen, that is the needy. Third is the Aamiloon, those who are involved in collection of the zakat. Fourth is Maulla Fatul Qulub, those whose hearts are inclined towards Islam. Fifth are the Riqaab, that is, zakat can be given to free a captive or in bondage. Sixth are the Gharimun, those who are debtors. Seventh is fi sabilillah, zakat can be used in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And eighth is the Ibn Sabil, that's the wayfarer. So there are 8 categories specified in the glorious Quran to whom zakat can be given.